What is up, my dudes, and that one girl just wants to be with a winner? This is Bikes, Beards, and Brews. Let's kick that intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we kick this one off, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. New videos are coming weekly. You ring that bell, you know when they drop. Let's get the other stuff out of the way. Want to save 10% on a Cardo communicator or save some money on some Beyond Riders gear or Kemimoto gear? Then you should definitely check my referral links down below. Want to support me and all my do-gooderness like these cool guys here? Boom! Then you should become part of the Brew Crew and join the coffee page down below. Why don't I'm asking you for money? Well, next to those 10,000 Amazon affiliate links that also go to a good cause is a link explaining what I do with your money. Get it? Got it? Cool. Let's move on. Alright guys, so today we are heading down to Boston Harley. Why are we doing that? Well, Boston Harley has got a bike show going on today, and I went ahead and entered my lady, the Death Eater, Betty Page. Now, it is not Boston Harley specifically that is throwing the event. It is actually an organization called Let Her Rip. I'll throw it right there so you can check it out. And they are doing this as a fundraiser. So there will be some money going to some good causes. We'll get into that a little bit more when we get down to Boston Harley. And I thought, hey, why not? Let's enter. Now, straight out, right up front, I don't expect to win anything. And it's not because I don't love my bike and I don't think my bike is absolutely beautiful. I do. But I also am faced with the realism that my bike is a 2018, and I always look for that balance of show and go. And it's like, I want my bike to look good, and, you know, I want people to check it out and be like, hey, that's a nice looking bike you got there. But at the same time, I want my bike to go. And my lady and I have done a lot of miles. We've gone through a lot of different weather. We've gone through a lot of different things. When you see me in Wisconsin, when you see me in Georgia, when you see me in New Jersey, stuff like that, we have ridden there. I don't put my bike on a trailer and ride there and then, you know, shine it up on the way down and then roll it off the cart and then do 5 miles to whatever event we're going to. We ride there. So my bike has scratches, it has dents, it has corrosion, it has all the marks and stuff that are basically badges of honor from putting down miles. However, those don't always go over so well when you're entered in a contest for like best looking bike, best paint, best this. But I still thought it would be fun to enter. And at the end of the day, the $20 it costs to enter goes to a good cause. So I'm all about that. I'm cool with that. So let's get over to Boston Harley. Let's get one more quick shine put on Betty here, and let's see how we do. Let's also check out what's going on down there, because there is going to be a lot of things happening in that parking lot as well. It is not just going to be a bunch of sad people with lined up bikes going, yeah, it's a nice Harley you got there. What do you got? Well, I got a Harley. Oh, you got a Harley? Let's go look at your Harley. Oh, look at your Harley. It's going to be more than that. So let's do this. Alright, we are almost there. It's just a quick trip down the highway, no problem. I always got to make sure not to take this like first right or else I end up in like Amazon world. I don't know. I'm okay taking the first left because then we're at the Squire, and I'm all about supporting single moms. So, you know, there's that thing too. But nonetheless, we are here for Boston Harley, so we're going to Boston Harley. Let's get in here. Hey, look, Dave's here.
Boston Harley Davidson.
Dave, which bike do you like so far?
We got a bike contest going on right now.
Dave, which bike do you like that's entered so far?
To the black tent right by the front door and sign up.
I don't know.
It's all right. I know it's mine, but what's the close second place?
We hope you enjoyed the day today, taking the time to walk around.
That one over there.
Mix and mingle and check out all the wonderful vendors.
All right, let's go check the bikes out. So I've seen Triumphs, I've seen Harleys, I've seen a couple other bikes, but still, we leave the Indians outside. What? Is a bike after my own heart. He's got a lot of Storm Shadow, Cobra sort of stuff in there. There's a, you might not be able to see it, but there's like a ghost paint job of a Cobra logo in there. You got some Cobra logos there. And then on the gas tank, let's flip this around. Right there, if you know, you know. This bike is sweet, man. It is so sweet. All right, we did not win, but that's okay. There were a lot of nice bikes there. That Storm Shadow one should have won, but it did not. So I don't know what to say, man. They had their choices. The judges picked a few bikes. The audience picked a few bikes. None were mine or that hella sweet Storm Shadow one. Seriously, dude, if you're watching my channel, reach out. I think we'll get along great. Oh, hey, look, lots of traffic. Yeah, use the speeder plane. All right, so that was a good time. It was fun. There was a lot of cool people there, a lot of really nice bikes. Overall, no complaints whatsoever, and it was for a good cause. Man, I'm gonna go follow those two. They know what's going on. So yes, it's a cause that supplies therapy dogs to people that need them, and I'm cool with that. I am fully cool with that. I think that is absolutely awesome. They raised a few $1,000s, so I'm glad that, you know, they got some of my money to do that. Oh man, it was a good turnout. Everything was just really fun. Guys, I just saved you a whole bunch of traffic, just stop and go nonsense. I don't even know what's going on. It's not like it's a nice day out and everyone's going to the beach or something. It's pretty chilly and there's a whole lot of overcast going on. But for some reason, traffic sucks today. It sucks. Whatever. Nonetheless, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you saw some bikes. You saw the bikes. I showed you the bikes. Which one do you think should have won? Throw it down below. I'd love to get your input on this. What'd you think of the cars, too? Seriously, sweet cars. It was a good day. It was a good day to see, like, cool cars and bikes, for real. But that's what I got, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, share this video with friends, share it with family, share it with that one dude, you know, who's like, I love seeing old cars and cool bikes. It's right here in this video. Come check it out. He loves this stuff, trust me. I'll see you all on the flip side.